So students, we will see human reproduction chapter class 12th. In this video, we will see about the female reproductive system. So as like in the male reproductive system, we have seen primary sex organs as well as secondary sex organs. In female reproductive system also, there are primary sex organs as well as secondary sex organs also. In this female reproductive system, we will see primary sex organ, that is ovary. Other than this, the secondary sex organs are there, which are uterus, fallopian tube, vagina, and there are some glands also which are helping in female reproductive system. Then if we will see about the ovaries, first we will see the function of this female reproductive system. What is the function? It is that it helps to produce the female gametes, that is eggs, and then it is also helping for production of female sex hormones. Okay, now we will see about ovaries. Ovaries are small almond shaped glands, and these are located at lower abdominal region, that is in the pelvic region. Okay, then they are inside the abdominal cavity, that opposite of the male reproductive system. Okay, and then they are suspended in the same some mesenteries, that is the these are the ovaries, and they are suspended in the mesenteries. That mesenteries are the transparent mucous folds, and these are called mesovarian. Okay, so these are the mesovarian. These are helping for the ovaries to attach with the abdominal wall. These are the important things. Okay, there are two types of mesenteries. First is here, later we will see the second. Now these ovaries, when they are getting released, so there is chance that they may fall down, but there is one another tube like structure, that is fallopian tube, which is helping to collect that ovaries. And how they are collecting? They are forming the finger like structure, that is called as fimbrillae. Okay, so this fallopian tube is collecting that ovaries with the help of fimbrillae. They are forming the suction, and then they are taking that, and then they are transferring it into the uterus. Okay, so this fallopian tube is having the first part, that is ampulla part, and that ampulla part is having again some structures. That first swollen part, that funnel like part is there, so that part is called as infundibulum. Then second, this whole part is called as ampulla, and the next part is isthmus, and the whole tube like structure is there, that is called as fallopian tube. Okay, next we will see that the ovary is collected from the ampulla, and then it is transferred through the isthmus to the uterus. Then we will see that uterus is utilized for the implantation purpose also. What is the thing? That implantation is taking place into the uterus, and collection of ovaries is taking place, or fertilization is taking place in the ampulla region. These are much more important: fertilization in ampulla and implantation in the uterus. Okay, uterus is helping for the zygote to implant or attach here. Then we will see that there is fallopian tube, that is the 10 to 15 centimeter long fallopian tube is present, and it is having three parts: ampulla, isthmus, and funding part. This is the funding part, that is last part, that is swollen part. Now we will see that uterus, it is having three layers. That outermost layer is perimetrium, that is outermost. It is much more fibrous layer, so it is helping to provide the strength to the structure. Now again inner side was there, that is a second middle layer is that is myometrium layer, and that is muscular layer. Inside that innermost membrane, that is called as endometrium, that is innermost membrane, which is having highly vascular layer. Okay, after that we will see that there is upper bulging part, that is funding, and the lower part after these three layers, that is this part is called as cervix part. This cervix part is having the two areas, that is internal orifice or internal OS we can say, and this is external orifice. Then we will see that cervix is opening into the vagina, that is another muscular part. This vagina is having the rough part. Okay, now this vagina opens into the vaginal opening, that it is also called as the vulva. And in the virgin females, there is a small muscular part, that is one canal is that muscular part is there, that is hymen. In the virgin females it is present. Now we will see that vagina is acting as a birth canal also, and it is acting as the transfer of the sperms also. So it is helping for the transfer of sperms also, or collecting of sperms also, as well as birth canal also. So all these things are there. One another thing, that these second ligaments are there, ovarian ligaments are there. That is also the second mesentery, which is helping for the attachment of this uterus. Okay, so these are two types of mesenteries. First is mesovarium and second is ovarian ligaments. So this is whole about the female reproductive system. This is the revision. Thank you.